This is no vibe, no code, an existing project that enables builders to validate ideas, generate documentation to support a re-MVP roadmap, and export a spec to get building with AI. Each of the validations and documents generations are powered by Google Gemini. I've integrated the LLM monitoring with Datadog and created this command center dashboard. The dashboard shows all critical metrics for the state of the app in one single place. I've applied the same format for e-commerce, and I was looking forward to use it with LLM. We are monitoring workflows, which are user flows in our app. Each of the workflows can make multiple calls to Gemini, which are recorded as LLM SUSES and LLM errors. Latency average and cost sum also highlight state of the LLM, if the calls are slow overall, and if we are spending more than we should. We can also see errors per service. For example, we see a spike in error for this service. Errors per service total that can highlight which service is the one failing. Also a quick view of models for Gemini. Based on cost, errors, and latency, we've created some monitors. Latency view shows latency per service, percentiles, and top services with slow latency. We follow the same approach for tokens. This would be less ops and more performance improvement. We can see that one of our services consumes way more tokens than the rest, which we can also see it with overall high latency. We should highlight this service to review in the next sprint. We've also added a quick view errors stack. In case of an incident, this could be very useful to identify the root cause. Now let's look at the monitors. We have 3: cost, errors, and latency. This is the error monitor. As you can see, we had an incident last night. When the monitor threshold for alert is met, it triggers an incident that pages our on-call engineer. In the event details, we can see the reference of the LLM runbook. This is a generic runbook to follow in case of an LLM incident. It has relevant information about links, steps to follow during the incident, and rules on what priority it should be set. We also have SLOs set up, one for latency and another for errors. SLOs have been agreed and reviewed based on the historical data. Next for us would be to use evaluations and prompts to test prompts and models, analyze where to improve, and tie down the cost. If you have any question on our Datadog LLM monitoring, please leave a comment or send us an email.